Hey, it's Ben. We're here to talk about how to adjust the toe adjustments on your foot plate footrest. Sometimes they come from the factory a little too vertical. Other times the person that used the boat before maybe had it too vertical. Very easy adjustment. First thing you got to do is untie all these knots. We took a little head start and did this ahead of time, so we're going to untie these knots. Now, if the line is allowed to slide through the foot plate is able to go flatter. The tighter you get the line, the more vertical the foot plate. So get to the angle you need, make sure it's parallel with the one on the other side, making sure the rudder is straight. You probably need your friend to help you with this. Once you've got these the same, get the tension the same in both sides without making sure you take any more line. Get some half hitches in the line here. Tie a couple, make sure first of all that the rudder is straight and the foot pegs are parallel with each other, foot plates are parallel with each other. Straight rudder in the back, they're the same. And once you can see that this is parallel, that is straight, we can then go ahead and add the extra ones. It's impossible to have too many. You'll run out of line first. Excellent. How to adjust the toe angle on your foot plate.